Hey, welcome to Exhibitor Lounge, sponsored by ExhibitEdge.com. I'm your host and trade show mixologist, Michael Gray. Here each week you receive simple, practical, and proven tips to improve your trade show marketing strategy and get better results while maximizing your budget. Today, we're going to analyze the floor plan. Now, I have seen many exhibitors pick a booth space only to get to the show and be totally surprised that a large column is in their space or blocking their visibility. When they go back to look at the floor plan, they soon realize that that little black square, which they thought was a floor electrical box, was not. Bottom line, it's up to you to analyze the floor plan and make sure what the symbols on the plan represent. Hey, every show facility is different. Now, I hear exhibitors say, the show people didn't tell me about this or that. So think about it. If you wanted to sell booth space, you would show the floor plan, have the exhibitor pick the space, and then just sign the contract. You realistically have no incentive or reason to point out any deficiencies or obstacles in the hall. Now, I want to be careful to say that no one's trying to be deceptive because all the information is either on the floor plan or in the show kit details. I'm just saying it's up to you to find it. So, rule number one, look at the legend on the floor plan to know what the symbols represent. What you think they mean may not be correct. And then whose fault is that? Find locations that offer the best visibility and flow and avoid obstacles. Now, rule number two is to read the show kit information to make sure that you do not miss details that can affect your booth space choice. Common mistakes include columns in or near the booth space, ceiling height changes, show rules that do not allow hanging signs, hanging sign height limits that are too short for the exhibit structure underneath, catering restrictions, booth depth changes, overhead electrical, locations that require late setup and early dismantle, environmental issues, temperature, wind, hall lighting. Well, that would be a lot to cover, so let's stop there. Next week, we will talk about the relationships between associations, contractors, and show facilities, and how they affect you, the exhibitor. As always, please respond with your questions or comments. The Exhibitor Lounge is always open to a mix of ideas from the trade show community. Make sure that you let others know to go to ExhibitEdge.com or ExhibitorLounge.com to sign up for Exhibitor Lounge. We will see you next week. Until then, I'm your host, Michael Gray, telling you to relax in the Exhibitor Lounge.